So I figured I'd do a POV walkthrough of international motor cars today. And the reason I decided to do this is we have so many customers from out of town and out of province that fly in here, pick up their car, or they just deal with us on the phone, over internet. And I figured I'd give everyone the ability to kind of see who they're dealing with and see that we actually have a really nice facility and we baby these cars. We keep them out of the elements and absolutely pristine inside. Got a 2004 Bentley Continental Gt. Got a 2008 Porsche 911 Turbo. This one's pretty rare because it is a manual transmission in a coupe, which is going to be very hard to find on the market these days unless they're high mileage, automatic, or that sort of thing. For your wife or girlfriend, we've got this pretty cool, I actually really like it, this pink Mercedes GLK. We've got this modified 2018 Corvette Z06, which we put a video on the other day. It's an absolutely insane car. Got this 2014 Maserati Ghibli. Beautiful example with very low mileage. Got a 2009 Porsche Boxster. Awesome, just like entry-level Porsche, low mileage, again, manual transmission. Very desirable car. And this 2010 Lotus Evora. Absolutely just immaculate car. 18,000 K, local, no paint work, aftermarket exhaust, diffuser, just a beautiful car. Here we got GTR row. We've got a 2009 Nissan Gtr. We've got a 2014 Nissan Gtr. And we've got a 2015 Nissan Gtr, which we sold previously and took in trade against a Lamborghini from a client. All three are just awesome examples in each of their own way. This one's a very neat color, very rare. This one here, the 2014, only has 4,000 kilometers on it and is just out of the box new. It's as perfect as you can get on a GTR. And this 09, well, it's extremely clean and it's a price point car. I mean, this car is under $65,000, which is very aggressive for a low mileage, clean GTR. Pretty well stocked, had a couple little things done to it. Here, if you've been following us, this is 2008 Superleggera, which we took on Okanagan Dream Rally with Matt August from August Motor Car. And here we've got actually a really bargain of a car, 2003 Porsche Boxster S with the 3.2. It's a manual transmission. And this car, believe it or not, $15,000. It's an absolute steal. Here we've got something extremely unique. 1996 Land Rover Defender, just had a full restoration done in Italy. 2016. Got a Tesla Model S. We've sold quite a few of these cars. Just an overall, just absolute awesome car. I absolutely love the Tesla product. Hope you guys have enjoyed this showroom walkthrough. Why don't you drop me a comment? Tell me what your favorite car is in our showroom right now. Tell us if you could drive anything here, what would you pick? Subscribe to our channel and let me know. Do you guys like this? Do you guys want me to do more of these? I can post these kind of every week or so once the showroom changes around. Drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think.